CubexSoft Zimbra to PST converter is a perfect solution to export and save Zimbra TGZ files to PST, along with emails, contacts, calendars, recurring calendars, briefcase items, and many more. CubexSoft Zimbra to PST converter offers various advanced features for users' convenience. Let's check out some of the important features. It supports batch migration of unlimited Zimbra TGZ files to PST in single go. It allows you to choose various advanced filters like to, from, subject, date range, and exclude deleted items, to convert selective Zimbra items. Provides option to choose required folders from Zimbra TGZ files for conversion into PST format. It maintains to keep the folder hierarchy precisely. The tool supports to convert Zimbra TGZ to Outlook 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007 and 2003 editions. It provides users with the facility to choose the output location for saving resultant files.
Now let's check these features inside the software. Install the software and open the tool.
Click on Add Files button appearing at the top left corner of the software. A new pop-up window will open to select TGZ files. Software comes up with 3 selection options: Add Files, Add Folders, and Add Extracted Folders. Using Add Files option, you can select specific TGZ files. This option is an ideal option if you have fewer TGZ files. Using Add Folders option, users can select entire folder having multiple TGZ files. This option works as a batch conversion. Using Add Extracted Folder option, you can select Zimbra mailbox folders extracted from TGZ files. You can use Close Files button showing next to Add Files button to delete selected Zimbra files. Now let's start Zimbra TGZ conversion process, and select TGZ files using Add Files button. The software will start scanning the selected TGZ files and displays its contents in tree-like structure on its left pane. Click on any folder to check all its contents on the right pane of the software. Tool displays preview of the specific email message on its bottom right pane with complete details like from, date, to, subject, attached files list, and message content. After selecting required folders, click on Export button to proceed next. Choose PST as the desired saving option from the Select Saving Options list. Now under Categories section, choose the required data item like emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, briefcase, as per your requirement. Click on Advanced Filters option to apply various filters like date filters to set specific date range, Similarly, you can also set other filters like from, to, subject, and exclude deleted items, as per your conversion needs. Once all the settings are done, click on OK button. If you want to change the destination saving location, click on the Browse button for the same, then click on Convert button to start the conversion process. Software will start converting Zimbra TGZ files with all conversion progress details displayed at the bottom of the software. As process finishes, software will prompt you with a message box that process is successfully completed. Demo version of the software will convert first 25 items per folder selected. After successful conversion, software will open the selected folder location where you can see your converted data. It will also create an open conversion log as a text file having all details of the conversion process. And finally, this makes the Zimbra to PST conversion successfully done.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to get updates for more tutorials.